Welcome to my new video. Today, I'm exploring the latest Amazon home gadgets that can transform your living space. From smart devices to must-have tools, discover what's new and how they can make life easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. Thanks. So let's start the video. Start.
Number 1, the Honey Can Do Dry 09065 collapsible clothes drying rack is a practical addition to any household, particularly for those who prioritize the care of their garments. Constructed from durable coated steel, this rack is designed to withstand regular use while providing a gentle environment for delicate items. With dimensions of 14 inches deep, 29 inches wide, and 42 inches high, the rack offers a compact yet functional design that fits into a variety of spaces. Its lightweight construction at just 478 pounds makes it easy to maneuver and store. Notably, it folds down to a mere 3 inches flat, allowing for convenient storage when not in use. This drying rack boasts an impressive 24 linear feet of drying space, accommodating a substantial load of up to 50 pounds. This capacity makes it suitable not only for everyday laundry, but also for larger items such as blankets or towels. The thoughtful design allows air to circulate freely around garments.
Number 2, the camera. Camera Charger has emerged as a versatile tool for both indoor and outdoor usage, seamlessly blending functionality with a user-friendly design. This compact device, measuring just 0.91 into 0.91 into 0.91 inches, is perfect for those who value space-saving solutions without compromising on performance. Equipped with advanced Wi-Fi connectivity, this camera allows for easy pairing with smartphones, enabling users to monitor surroundings remotely. The 120-degree field of view provides an expansive visual coverage, ensuring that no significant event goes unnoticed, making it a great choice for office spaces. With a video capture resolution of 1080p, the camera delivers crisp and clear footage in an MP4 format, making it suitable for various applications. One of the notable features is its motion-only alert system, which minimizes unnecessary notifications and focuses on significant movements. This functionality is particularly beneficial for busy professionals.
Number 3, rolled ice cream maker. Experience the joy of creating your own delicious rolled ice cream at home with this easy-to-use rolled ice cream maker. Perfect for kids and adults alike. This machine lets you craft your favorite ice cream flavors and toppings into beautiful rolled treats in minutes. Simply pour your ice cream mixture onto the pre-frozen surface, spread it thin, and watch as it transforms into delightful rolls. Ideal for parties, family gatherings, or just a fun dessert night, this rolled ice cream maker is the perfect addition to any kitchen. Easy to clean and store, it ensures you can enjoy homemade rolled ice cream anytime you crave it.
Number 4, Rocketbook Core Reusable Smart Notebook. The Rocketbook Core Reusable Smart Notebook combines the traditional feel of pen and paper with the power of digital organization. This innovative notebook features reusable pages that can be wiped clean with a damp cloth, allowing you to use it endlessly. With the Rocketbook app, easily scan and save your notes to popular cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Evernote. Perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who loves to stay organized. The Rocketbook Core is designed for those who want to keep their handwritten notes while embracing a digital workflow. Eco-friendly, durable, and convenient. It's the smart way to take notes.
Number 5, Click Carry Grocery Bag Carrier. The Click Carry Grocery Bag. Carrier makes shopping easier by allowing you to comfortably carry multiple bags at once. Designed with an ergonomic grip, it evenly distributes weight, reducing strain on your hands and arms. Simply load your bags into the Click Carry, and the padded handle ensures a comfortable carry, whether in hand or over your shoulder. Ideal for groceries, shopping bags, or even sports equipment, this versatile carrier is compact, lightweight, and easy to store in your car or kitchen. Say goodbye to juggling bags and enjoy a more convenient, pain-free shopping experience.
Number 6, Revlon Nail Clipper. The Revlon Nail Clipper offers precise, clean cuts for perfectly groomed nails every time. Made from durable stainless steel, it features sharp, curved blades that easily trim both fingernails and toenails with minimal effort. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the built-in nail file allows for quick touch-ups and smoothing edges. Compact and portable, this nail clipper is perfect for at-home grooming or on-the-go touch-ups. Trusted for its quality and performance, the Revlon nail clipper is a must-have tool for maintaining neat and healthy nails.